Every mechanical clock needs a good oiling periodically. Otherwise, the pivot points will begin to wear out. This aspect of maintenance should be performed roughly every 3 to 5 years. In this video, we will show you how to properly oil your clock's movement to avoid damage and prolong its working lifespan. Please note, this is general maintenance for clocks in good working condition. If your clock is not running correctly, a simple oiling may not fix it. Consult a professional if your clock continues to run poorly. The first step is to remove the movement from the case. This process will vary from clock to clock and is a topic for another day. Do not attempt to oil your movement while it is still mounted in the case. You will not be able to access the front of the movement until it is removed. Once it's out, it's time to apply the oil. We recommend 859 clock oil, available at emperorclock.com. This is a synthetic oil. It is very important to use a synthetic oil. Don't go trying to use WD-40 or cooking oil or any other kind of lubrication. These can eat away at the finish and cause all kinds of mayhem to the inner workings of your clock. Now hold up, don't just go dumping that oil randomly. On the front and back plates, you will see the pivot points where the arbors poke out. Apply 1 small drop of oil to each of these points. Don't rush the process, or you may miss some of the points. Some of them are hidden behind other pieces. Please note, you do not need to oil any of the gears. Only the pivot points require it. The placement of these points may vary between movements. Add a small amount of oil to the pallet anchor as well. Be careful not to over-oil any of the points on your movement. Avoid allowing oil to pool, as this will attract dust and dirt, creating a grimy buildup that can cause all sorts of issues. Our goal here is to fix an issue without creating a new one. The final step is putting the movement back into the case. Once that's done, your clock is set for the next 3 to 5 years. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Links for the 859 oil kit will be in the description and the pinned comment.